brother has a very successful math channel, and someone once commented, "Is there a chemistry self-study guide?" Well, here it is. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a self-study map for people interested in learning chemistry. A lot of people who first study chemistry might not know where to start, but the best place to start is with general chemistry. Now, in most general chemistry courses, you'll first learn the concept of significant figures. But if that concept confuses you, I want you to take some time to really study the very, very basics. What is an atom? What are protons? What are neutrons? Get that down first, and I think the rest of it will start to make a little bit more sense to you. Once you make your way through General Chemistry 1 and then General Chemistry 2, you'll now make your way towards Organic Chemistry. Organic chemistry is the study of hydrocarbons. How do those behave? How do those react? How does one hydrocarbon turn into another? That's what you're going to learn in Organic Chemistry 1 and 2. But after you get through organic chemistry, that's kind of where the rest of it falls in your hands. You can do 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9 without needing to know each one before taking the next one. So that's kind of where it's important to ask yourself, what are you studying this chemistry for? Are you studying to try to get into medical school? Are you studying to re-enter school and get a PhD or a master's? What's your goal? For me personally, I was much more interested in the physical side of chemistry, which is why I took classes like physical chemistry. But for each individual person, there's a different reason that they have. So 5 to 9 are sort of a choose your own adventure. Choose what satisfies your thirst for knowledge. And finally, number 10 is laboratory work. Now, I recognize that when you're studying on your own, it might be hard to access a lab. But on YouTube, there are a lot of tutorials that tell you how basic lab techniques work. And I see laboratory work as a method of putting the chemistry into action, making it real. So do that as you may, but laboratory work is certainly a crucial part of the chemistry curriculum. Now in that bottom right corner, called Extra, I put some supplementary math and physics courses that are worth learning as you learn through your chemistry. Calculus 1 to 3 will help you have a better understanding of physics, but also physical chemistry. Differential equations will help you understand more of physical chemistry, as well as linear algebra. Now for physics, mechanics is the study of how things move around, and you'll notice that to be particularly true in physical chemistry. With E&M, similar idea, and the E will really come in the form of electrons as you study more. And then for thermal and quantum, that's also important too. But I did forget to write something. For those of you interested in learning biochemistry or potentially going to medical school, I recommend taking some form of intro biology. Intro biology could be something like AP biology, or just some kind of very basic intro work. When I did a biochemistry lab, I didn't have any biology knowledge prior, but I had a much easier time in the lab after I took one intro bio course. So this is really it. It may not be the most comprehensive, and please write in the comments if there's something that I am missing. But I want you to take a look at this and really think to yourself, what can I get out of studying chemistry? And what can it help me do by having a better understanding of it? Happy self-studying, everyone.